What's up, you guys? Welcome back. This video is going to be all about hair. I wanted to get up a video where I'm giving you guys tips again. I know a lot of you have missed these types of informative videos. So I wanted to share this recipe with you guys because it has been helping grow my hair and strengthen my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is colored if you're not familiar with my channel. So I did have to bleach my hair on my own. I got heat damage before that. So hair health, strengthening my follicles and my hair, and making sure my hair stays moisturized so it doesn't just break off and I don't lose all of the progress that I grew from my scalp on my ends. That's really important. So I thought this would be beneficial for any of you guys. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, like always, please share it with someone that you think would also benefit from it, and definitely give it a like if you enjoyed it. I wanted to break down each of the ingredients and their benefits, just so you guys don't have to go do your own Googles, which you guys are here for the information, right? So I understand. I talked about this clay wash in the past. I use Rasul clay instead of bentonite clay, and I use aloe vera juice. So the difference with this wash is I'm actually using fresh aloe vera gel, and you all know that fresh versus packaged plus preservatives and chemicals is always the best way to go. Rasul clay is a Moroccan healing clay. It attracts and binds dirt and toxins from your scalp and your hair, very similar to bentonite clay. The difference is Rasul clay actually leaves your hair moisturized. It also is anti-inflammatory, so it helps with itchy scalp, irritated scalp, flaky scalp. This will definitely help to soothe your scalp and really help to start repairing it. Rasul clay also has a ton of trace minerals. I'm gonna talk about two. So the first one that's really important is silica, and that's also an important ingredient in collagen. So I also use Rasul clay for my skin. The silica helps stimulate and promote healthy hair growth. It also helps with hair thinning. And then the other mineral I want to talk about is magnesium. So magnesium helps to strengthen your hair follicles and your hair. All right, moving on to aloe vera, which has been so loyal, and it is one of those ingredients that you can use for so many different things. And shout out to Elle.com. I thought that was really cool when I saw two of my videos in Elle magazine. Like, what? She's out here. Aloe vera, which if you don't know, now you know. It is very moisturizing, and it helps to penetrate deep into your follicles and cuticles, which is why it's also good for your skin. If you haven't checked out my aloe videos, tap the card up here and they will be also down in the description box. Aloe also helps to loosen the dirt and toxins from your scalp, and it is anti-inflammatory as well, so it helps with a dry, itchy, flaky scalp, and it helps to repair your follicles and your skin cells and cuticles as well. Now I also add water to the wash, but I'm gonna skip to the two essential oils that I add, which are peppermint essential oil and rosemary essential oil. Now they help to increase circulation, so they get your blood vessels stimulated, which promotes hair growth. And then they also stimulate those follicles, like I mentioned, which also promotes hair growth. And they help with a dry, itchy scalp. So they're anti-inflammatory, antiseptic. This wash is hands down probably one of the best little DIY concoctions that I've used for hair growth and for just stimulating and repairing your hair follicles, and also helping to thicken your hair. So the one thing that I would do differently with this mix is I would definitely figure out a better way to strain the aloe vera gel, just because there were some bits that got through the cheesecloth when I strained it for the wash. So if you have any tips for that, leave it down below. I probably could have just Googled it, but I thought the cheesecloth would work, and for the most part it did. I didn't have many bits in my hair like I would have if I didn't strain it at all, and I also didn't find them to be difficult to get out of my hair. Once I deep conditioned, they pretty much all rinsed out, and if they didn't, I was able to get the rest of the little bits when I was styling my hair. I love this cleanser for my hair, and especially for my scalp, you have to remember that your scalp is where your hair grows from. I know that's probably just like common sense. Everyone knows that, but I don't think people really take into consideration how damaging certain things can be for their scalp and their hair follicles. I know for me, when I am suffering from like a dry, itchy scalp, sometimes I will go in itching my scalp to the point where you can feel like a little bit of a sensation. So I just have to be more mindful when I have an itchy scalp. This will help you with your scalp itchiness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you give this mix a try. Definitely let me know, like I said, if you do. Please share it if you found it helpful. Give the video a thumbs up. Definitely make sure to check out my recent video where I showed you guys what I do to stay snatched in the summer, the different like activities I do, and also what I eat and the supplements, I guess, that I take. Check that video out. Make sure you guys share that one as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay?